Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief.
Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and it is just past 8:30. You can see that the 8:30 red numbers, we got a bunch of them today. Core PPI month over month was less than expected by a pretty good margin, 0.2%, and it's minus 0.1%, so pretty big miss there. PPI month over month also was less than expected. Unemployment claims were greater than expected. So we're starting to see inflation coming down a little bit. Remember, producer price index, their prices are slightly less than expected, and the unemployment claims were more than expected. So more people are claiming unemployment, which means unemployment is going up. So the question is going to be, how does the market react to this? This is traditionally bad news for the economy. But in this market, bad news is good news and good news is bad news. It's totally messed up because we're trying to understand what how the Fed is going to react. And so if this means that the Fed may stop raising rates, which is good news, which may make the market go up. So we'll have to see what the market actually did. What else we got today? Anything else? Natural gas storage at 10:30. Not something that's going to affect the ES or the S&P 500. We have a bond auction at 1 o'clock. Yes, this could affect the overall big picture market. But it is a yellow, I should say, an orange item, which is medium impact. So not a huge deal, but certainly can impact the overall S&P market and the indexes as we trade them. Looking at the daily chart here, a couple of things. So yesterday we had this spike through this high. So normally that would be a bullish thing, especially if we could have held it. But the spike above it and the immediate retracement is not bullish. That's not a bullish sign. We'll have to wait and see. But normally when you have failure at a particular level, that's saying, hey, we're topping out. This does look like a double top. Again, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Where could we go today? I think we could retry to retest this high and the current high from yesterday, 41.71. I think that's going to be a stretch for today, but we'll have to wait and see. And again, we got three lows here at just under 4,100. I think that is, we test that, we break that, then you've got a different story. You've got to break out to the downside, a breakdown. Where could that breakdown go? Easily, based on the size of the candle, it could easily go down to 40.87. We might even be able to get, if it got legs, maybe 40.74 here. So that's certainly a possibility. Looking at the inventory we want to see if it's correlated. So we have price movement down and we have inventory moving down. So those are correlated, not divergent. So correlation, all good, markets acting normal, nothing else to say there. What is the intraday? Intraday looks like, make this, so we did look at the big spike up because it was, quote, good news. The good news is that the Fed may have reasons to not raise rates. So the market reacted positively to traditionally bad news. Okay, so it is kind of a messed up market right now. Again, anytime you get this big news spike, it kind of messes up your chart because your charts are sort of what? And that one bar. So 31. So where do we have support and resistance? Where is resistance on the top side? We have some around 41.50. 41.65, and 41.77. Those are the 3 levels above. 3 levels below, I would say 41.14, 4100, 4080, 4080 would be the 3 numbers below. Stock Traders Almanac 61.9, 61.9. So a slight, it's almost a 12% bias to the upside from a historical. That is from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.